What is good, YouTube? Is DubDigital. I'm back because BTC's on attack. Damn, you see that pump? What's the price of that thing? I didn't even look at it for like 5 seconds. It's a lot though. It's like 11,200 last time I checked. That's high in the spot. That's all I got. BTC passes the rock. I rap when I'm excited, guys. I love it. When the bull run comes, I'm like rapping all the time, guys. I got instrumentals on deck in here. That's all I do. I rap and I talk about Bitcoin. But for real, look, all jokes aside, I've been out here telling y'all BTC's about to come back up. I got the vibe, man. I get the itch. It comes to me naturally, man. I wake up in the middle of the night like at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 4:30, 5 o'clock, and I'm like, damn, tossing and turning. I'm like, what's Bitcoin doing? I look at my Blockfolio and I'm like, oh, it's killing it. It's killing it. Y'all should be happy about that. Y'all should get excited because you're about to see one of the greatest wealth transfers in history. Over this year and the next year, maybe the next half a year after that. Whatever. I'm not here to be Nostradamus. I'm telling you the cycles that I've identified. The dollar is weakening, man. It's not that crypto, gold, silver, all that stuff is more expensive. It's the dollar's buying less. So it's in their best interest to not be in the dollar 100%. No, it's not financial advice. It's unstoppable now, baby. I gotta fix my camera. It's unstoppable. It's impregnable. It's immaculate. The bull run is starting, y'all. It's lifting off. And I hope y'all had the cojones to maybe, buy a little bit on the bottom. If you didn't, it's all good. You're gonna buy eventually. Everyone does. But hey, no matter when you got into Bitcoin, no matter when you got into crypto, you should be proud. You should be proud that you bought into an asset class that was a joke to most people. Got no love. And got no love from the honeys? You had to be a believer. You had to understand the ethos of cryptos, man. Yeah, Wall Street's here, but whatever. We'll pick up all the dollars that they throw at it. I'm cool. That's how you gotta be, man. You gotta have the mind of an investor. You gotta be a rabid dog in the mind. You gotta be looking for opportunities everywhere you go. That's who I am, man. And I see in crypto, and I'm about to reap a harvest, bro. I'm about to feed the family, bro. We all about to feed the fam. Some of you guys, hopefully you got into crypto and you got the stomach to last through, the ups and downs. It's a wild ride, guys. It's not all the way up to 1 million or whatever number you're looking for. Just have a plan and execute to your plan. That's how you make money. Everyone makes paper gains, man. A paper gain is when you see it in your account, but you haven't pulled it out into your bank account. Right? Seeing an investment mature is a beautiful thing, man. There's nothing quite like it. Like your thoughts became real money in real life. But my one big mistake was not pulling that value off, man, and securing it. Half the battle is getting the paper gain, but you got to make it a real gain. And that's my advice to you. I'm gonna stop being depressing. You know why? Because it's bull run time, bro. Bull run time. Say it with me. Just kidding. Hey guys, if you've never been in crypto before, there is nothing quite like a bull run. Like every day gets better than the next. Especially if you got in early. Like I told y'all, there's nothing like an early entry. Bitcoin's at 11,200 bucks. Its next resistance is around 14,000. The next resistance after that is the all-time high, 20,000 per BTC. What the hell? So much money for one Bitcoin. And guess what, guys? That's just price discovery. After it breaks 20,000, the sky's the limit. Have a plan. Don't sell too early, don't sell too late. Sell along the way, have a plan. Not financial advice. I'm just so happy for all of you. I'm going to be doing this on the daily, man. I'm going to be doing news so y'all can stay up to date with the stuff that matters, in my opinion. And that's usually most of the good stuff. And then I'm going to stay on top with some of this investing principles and just moon boy talks like we're doing right now. But I think that's important because I think now crypto deserves a little enthusiasm. Some of us went through a long 3 years, bro. It was a long, hard time. Backbreaking. But you made it. If you hodled through this bear market, you made it. And if you're new, you're lucky. Welcome. You don't got to go through that. But the problem is you don't have the lessons that we do. An older generation of hodler now has. You got to know that, hey, as much as crypto goes up, and it can go up, boy, it can go up so high. But as fast as it goes up, it must come down, and it will come down. Sell along the way, not financial advice. But check it out. I ain't gonna leave y'all hanging. I'm getting better at this market crap. Obviously, I called the dollar. That was tight. You know, and I think the dollar's gonna bleed off for the next rest of this year until it bounces in the winter somewhere. But as the dollar bleeds off, the excess value crashes into different commodities. And in this situation, safe haven commodities, or what is perceived as safe haven commodities. All right, I'm talking gold, silver, Bitcoin, crypto, whatever. Anything that has a finite supply will suck up infinite or infinite fiat. Always remember that, man. I ain't got nothing else to say. I just want to put a video out here to freaking make you guys pumped up like I told you to get pumped up this weekend. I hope you can feel the energy in the air. It's real buzzing right now. And if you're not paying attention to crypto, you need to get plugged in. It's buzzing, man. There's a bunch of traders who's saying it's gonna drop. It's gonna drop. Know that they are not thinking logically. What have we seen so far this year? We saw a big market crash in March that pulled everything down with it. Okay? Everything. It wasn't just crypto. It was everything. And as it got pulled down, I bought into that too. And I saw it rise up ASAP. Those guys who did not buy in, didn't see the price rise. There's obvious buy floor under that thing, in my opinion. So they're stuck thinking it's gonna crash down, and then the halving happened in May. That cut BTC supply in half. It cut it in half, and BTC's price stayed the same. Why wouldn't it rise up? Go check out Plan B stock to flow model. It shows that every time a halving occurs, the price shoots up 3 to 6 months after the halving occurs. Everything that everyone's been saying about price crashing, minor capitulation, my view, guys, I didn't understand it, so I didn't really listen to it. That turns out to be a good opinion. Follow, like this channel, DubDigital, because I'm going to tell you stuff that people probably won't be telling you, because I don't think exactly 100% the same as all these crypto YouTubers, y'all. I'm macro first, and that's why you got to understand the market forces going on in an investment all over. You can't just look at crypto. You got to know what the dollar's doing. You got to see what oil's doing. You got to see the job numbers. It all works in tandem. But if you look at one minute thing, it's like looking at the one-day chart. I'm looking at the 30-year chart. But you got to know how these forces in the market play into each other, and I'm gonna keep you informed in that. Like, comment, subscribe. DubDigital. Catch y'all later. Peace.